shorty say she need a ride. I tell her cool and get ready to slide. Into my room, I hit up her behind.
You guys don't understand how long it took me to perfect this look, and I'll be sharing these steps with you today. To begin, I like to divide my hair into manageable sections. I like to start from the crown of my head and work my way down. Take a small section of hair and curl the hair inward towards the face and gently pull the straightener away from the face while maintaining the curling motion. After curling a section, I like to secure it in place with hair clips. This helps cool the curls down and hold their shape. I know some people use rollers for this look, however, I like these clips because it just makes everything faster. If you follow my Instagram or my TikTok, you'll know that I got face framing layers this past summer and I love it, honestly. Face framing layers enhances the blowout look and it suits my facial structure. I have a round face and I find that a lot of hairstyles on me don't flatter my facial structure at all. So when I got these face framing layers, it definitely enhanced my features a lot better. This is completely optional, but if you want to use dry shampoo or other hair products that work well for your hair type, definitely feel free to because it'll only provide extra hold or texture. When I'm dealing with heat, I usually do my hair before my makeup so that I can just let the curls cool down in the clips while I'm doing my makeup. But for the sake of this video, I actually did it after. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you do end up recreating this look, please let me know. I always enjoy reading your messages. Thank you for tuning in. Bye. Mwah.
I ain't never babysitting. I've been lining up shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. You get a